Good afternoon, everyone. Again, my name is Teck Lee. I'm a product manager of the environmental compliance here at Intelex, and I have Brent Dubecki with me, a product owner of mobile solution. Thank you again for spending part of your afternoon with us. All right, so for the inspection management, so again, I'm going to start with the inspection management application. I'm going to start with a quote here from Arthur Block. A failure will not appear until a unit has passed a final inspection. So Arthur is the author of Murphy's Law. If you know Murphy's Law, you know that that whatever can possibly go wrong will go wrong. So this is a good segue to our inspection management application. So why Intelex inspection management? A couple of things. You can gain complete visibility to our inspection performance. You're able to manage your inspection data in a secure and centralized system. Second, you can standardize your inspection reporting process. So ensure the consistent inspection data is recorded on your throughout your organization and provide easy access to web-based inspection form and checklist to users across different departments, the different facility, as well as different locations. Streamline inspection-related tasks and drive results. Reduce liability and fulfill compliant requirements. So ensure that all legally required inspections are completed with scheduling functionality as well as automated reminders. And of course, you can take advantage of our mobile and offline functionality. So you can conduct your inspection, you can get hold of all the checklists and questions from any location at any time. In terms of the approach, I'll go through that in detail, but we have this four actions. One's prepare inspection, perform inspection, report on inspection, as well as follow-up inspection. So when you prepare an inspection, you can define the checklist, you can schedule inspection, you can perform the inspection, you can do online, offline, and record all your observations, report on inspection, and then you can follow up inspections, making sure that you have action assigned to a responsible person as well as a closing of the action and findings. So I'm going to go through each one of this in detail in subsequent slides. Now I want to pass it to Brent to talk about how we can do this offline.
Great, thanks, Teck. So obviously we've all seen so how to go through and build that inspection on your web-based system. So now you may be running into situations where either you don't have an internet connection or you want to be able to use it on a mobile device and really have a very mobile-centric type of interface. So you want something that's consistent and is familiar to the users as well. So in this sense, this is where Eversync then comes in. So Eversync, for those who haven't had a chance to see Eversync at this point, Eversync is our ability to go and bring the V6 applications, so our Intelex applications, and pull those down onto a mobile device. And then we're able to not only pull those down to a mobile device, but then have them run in an offline mode. So you don't no longer need an internet connection when you're going and filling out these inspections. So this gives you a lot of different options to be able to fill out those inspections. So you can start to use them whether you're on a plane or a boat or in a mine or just some sort of remote location. You're always able to go and fill out your inspections. And then when you're done, you can always then go and synchronize those back to the server. So as you can see on the steps here on the right side, you obviously will go in the cloud and you'll be able to maintain those checklists and schedule those inspections that you're doing. And when you synchronize that down to Eversync, it's going to pull down all those any inspections that have been scheduled and set up for the user who's going ahead and using, whether they're using a tablet or they're using it on their Windows PC. You can even use Eversync there. And so then on Eversync, you'll go ahead, perform your inspections, fill out those questions that you have. And then you can also go ahead and record findings, propose action plans, all those different things that you can do in the web system, and eventually then synchronize those back to the cloud, where to go ahead and you can start to generate reports and assign those actions to different people and all those different pieces. So the inspections application, so what we've done in Eversync is really try to build an interface which is streamlined for going ahead and filling out these inspections. So we wanted a way to really make it simple and easy to read for a user as they go through, as well as give users a very familiar interface for a mobile device or for any other device that they're going to fill out. Additionally, you can go ahead, as I mentioned before, and attach findings or any other type of information that you're looking to attach to a question. So you can configure your application to have different pieces and different records that can be attached to each individual question, and EverSync will allow you to support that functionality.